G'day guys, welcome to Handbuilt.
Oh no, rusty piece of shit. Got every intention of making it sick.
So I've been unstitching the roof rails on Freddie's car here. Got them all out. There's not a lot more I can do on that until I've blasted them all the surface rust off them, but they're all there, they're ready to go. I've got my plan. Next Friday I'm going to have a big blast fest and see if we can get it ready to have the roof put back on. That's about it for Freddie's car until then. So I've been working on my car. I'll show you what I've done. As you can see, I've finished welding this part in here. Just needs a little bit of a tidy up of grinding, well, a little bit of filler up around here. Bit of grinding on the inside. This part here, I've fabricated it up. I've got it tech screwed in. Tech screws are my Clecos. I'm about to cut it out and weld it in. What I'm going to do this time is I'm just going to cut a little bit on the corner there, fold it in on the inside, just give it a tack weld, and then fold it back a bit more and tack weld it as I go. That way I know it's going to be a perfect fit. This bit I've got to be a little bit more fussy with because it's a bit more cosmetic, as you can see it up there. So probably going to TIG weld this one in. A little less cleanup. Rightio. So first thing I gotta just take out a tech screw there. Then on the inside where I've run it with the grinder, just gotta fold it back a little bit. If I can get the screwdriver in there somehow. There we go. Just a little bit. Just so I can tack weld that without welding the two panels back together. I'm just going to slice it along a little bit further with the angle grinder. I'm just tacking this with the MIG. I'll most likely TIG weld it afterwards. And yes, I know I'm a bad boy for not having a guard on my grinder, but they get in the way. So you get the idea. I'm going to keep on going the whole way around like that, and then I'll come back and show you just before I'm about to start tigging. Now I missed a little bit of rust there when I was making my stencil, so I'm going to have to make a little triangle there. There's no drama. I just didn't feel it with my fingers when I was feeling through the stencil. So it's all tacked in now. Just got to clean some of the paint off before I start TIG welding. And yeah, Bob's your uncle. There's no massive gaps on this one, I'm happy. So from the inside, sorry about the light, those gaps actually look huge from the inside through the camera lens, but they're actually not. It's just the way the light's shining through So that's about it anyway. I'm running out of time again. It's the end of the weekend. Probably pick this up during the week when I can get a little bit of time to start tigging this in. But for now, that'll be it, and I'll see you next time. So this is a bit of a short one. There's not much really to show. So, as I said, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.